welcome back to another video. We are going to talk about Firestorm indicators and how they work during heavy news. And this goes for anything like NFP or FMOC. So as you can see here, we are going over CPI today, and CPI news is usually very, very volatile, as most traders know. But if you're a beginner, that's something you want to look out for on forexfactory.com when you're trading between 8 o'clock to 9 a.m. And when you're trading this style of news on binary options, if you're a beginner, I strongly suggest just watching during these times and not trading on any live accounts. As you can see here, we had a spike in a matter of seconds, and I got in on 2 trades here for a buy because all the indicators were pointing to a very, very strong buy, and I got in for 2 minutes. I really only wanted to get in for a minute. As you can see, I am profiting on these trades, but if you look down at the bottom, you'll see all 3 Firestorm momentums showing 100%, almost 100% strong buys. Every single one is a strong buy. It's over, of course, that 70 to 80% that I talk about. We got our buy signals. It's time to get in. And these markets move very, very fast during news. So I always do 1 to 2 minute trades. I don't do 3 or 5 minute trades because they can zip right back down. So when you're trading during the news, just make sure you trade with a shorter time on binary options. So here, we're just kind of waiting this out. As you can see, we are still in profit. And you will also see that my percentage dropped, which kind of sucks, but that happens during the news. And then right after the news is over, it goes right back up again. So there's nothing we can do about that, except for if you don't like the percentage dropping, then your best bet is just not trading during the news. But it didn't bother me in the moment today because I was showing this purely for example, and a lot of people were asking if it's even possible to trade during the news using the Firestorm indicators, and you definitely can, especially if you're trading on Tradelocker, MetaTrader 4, or any of the other advanced platforms. If you're a beginner, just stick with pocket option for now. Get to know the indicators, get to know the style of trading, because once you learn binary options, it will be so much easier for you to move to another platform because you're used to the fast pace of it. So with that being said, I hope this answered a lot of your questions, and this is trading during very heavy news.